welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while I've spoken to you and made art tutorials, but I'm really excited today because I got something awesome in the post, so I'll be unboxing it with you today and you can watch me go on with this tutorial, or rather reviews slash tutorial. We'll see how it goes. Alright, do keep watching, thank you. So I'll be opening this. I received it in the post today. I've got an X-Acto knife to open it more easily. It does say fragile, so I'm unboxing that. I need to be careful so I don't rip important things. Are you ready for it? You might know what it is already by the title. Regardless, let's just see. Open it. Oh wow, it's been bubble wrapped properly. There it is, guys. Everyone, there you go, look. I've got my Faber Castell Polychromos colour pencils. It's 12 colours in there, so we'll go ahead and open it and see. I have to be really careful because I don't want to scratch the tin, so I'm doing that really gently and precisely so I don't make a mistake. I really don't want to scratch the tin. There's so many reviews out there about this. It's meant to be one of the best professional artist pencils. So I did say let me invest in these and buy them and see what the fuss is all about. So I had to rip it, guys. Sorry. Well, it's okay. It's just some kind of cellophane or something. So there they are. I like the texture of the tin. It's really beautiful. So go ahead and open it. Oh, that's amazing. Look, I've never seen pencils like colouring pencils. They've got like leaflet or booklet. Wow, it's got the whole history about it in here. I mean about the pencils. Oh look, Faber Castell. Since 1761 it says. Oh, got some blending techniques in here. Everything explained. So, okay. Let's look at the colours that came. Oh, they've got a chart and everything in here, just in case I need to buy more, depending on how it feels with these ones or how it goes with these ones. By ones I mean the Faber Castell Polychromos pencils. So, okay, so they've got other sizes indicated on here, so that's fine. So these are the colours. So we'll be going through them. I'll make a chat and we'll try out the colours and see what they look like, okay? As I go along, I think that they're great. However, I think they're slightly overrated. I also noticed that they do leave some kind of residue while you use them sometimes. So what I did is I got a brush, and you might just see me do it, flick off the excess residue of the colours from the pencil from the Faber Castell pencil. That's what I just did. However, they're highly pigmented and that's good. So keep watching. So I decided to test out these Faber Castell Polychromos pencils. You know, I did the swatches first of all, like the little colouring in the boxes. So now I'm going to show you what they look like when you colour it into a drawing or something. You'll see how that goes. I'll speed this up and then just for you to see how it colours in on a paper, other than just into little boxes, which I did earlier on. So keep watching. I'm taking the white Faber Castell pencils and I'm using them to blend in the colours I've used on the flower, and this does an awesome job of blending, and that's really great about these pencils. And then you see me dusting off some residue left over from the colouring pencils with my brush, like I said earlier on. So I also try to erase, and they do actually erase. That's awesome. So I've completed the colouring of the flower just to demonstrate what the Polychromos pencils can achieve. I think they're okay. I think they're good, very, very good. To me, like I said, they're slightly overrated. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and all those good stuff. Bye.